Alright, so I'm just kind of wandering around, and I noticed, well, I found this. Kia is having some kind of like, looks like a drifting track and off-road event. So I'm going to try to sign up for that, see what's going on there. Looks like it's a lot of fun. So they have a Kia Stinger GT out here drifting around, and it looks like they have the new Kia Telluride, and they're doing some kind of like off-road course stuff over there. So I'm going to go over there and sign up and check it out. So what do I do first? I sign my life away?
Yes, pretty much,
okay.
But let's hope not. Print and sign, you have a valid SID?
Yep.
Cool, have that ready. We'll use it to get you registered right over there.
Send it.
You're going to go ahead and sign in here and then click accept.
Alrighty.
Awesome. Are you excited?
Yep.
Click accept. You're going to enter your email into here and then answer a couple of survey questions for us.
Okay, I'm going to do that real quick.
Thank you. Awesome. I'm going to go ahead and scan your wristband for you.
Okay.
All right. Can I see your wrist, please?
Sure.
Perfect. So, Julianne is going to help you right over there. She's going to tell you which line to go in, okay?
Awesome, thank you.
Bye.
Awesome, carbon fiber helmets.
Yep.
Got
Okay,
a
stay
sock,
right
too.
back there for me, please. Yep.
All right.
Goes on. I'll grab your helmet when you're ready.
Okay, could you hold this for a second?
Okay.
All right, so I gotta put this thing on somehow. So, how ridiculous do I look?
Oh, that's good, man.
Yeah. Hey, awesome, thanks, brother.
All right.
You need me to hold on to that? Oh, you got it?
Yeah, I got it. Oh yeah. What is this, an XL or L?
XL.
Yeah. Because my helmet is in the semi.
All right, guys.
I got it.
Here at Kia Central.
I might need an XXL. Let me use the
Be the first person to be inside of the 2020 Telluride. It's the hottest car being talked about at the
I'm feeling
SEMA.
lightheaded.
Do not miss your opportunity.
You want XXL?
Yeah, this will make me lightheaded. I got a big head.
Hold on, Jay.
No problem.
He's either switch his helmet.
All right. I got a lot of hair.
Yeah.
Is it working? Is it on?
It's as good as it's going to get.
It's about as good as it gets.
Yeah. And let
All
me
right.
get you right here.
That's a double XL?
Yep.
All right. Oh, that's much better.
There you go.
Awesome.
All right. Let
I
me
can
get
keep
you
my
the
glasses
rest
on somewhat.
Yeah. You guys are just.
Where are we going?
Come on.
Let's go.
There we go.
All right. Sorry about that, Vic.
What? You sweet chocolatey. With a hard shell that I'm gonna crack.
Seatbelts on?
Yeah,
Have
seatbelts
fun,
on.
guys.
Safety
Yes,
third?
please.
Much
He will
obliged.
try to kick you out of the vehicle.
When we're starting to flip upside down, it's the last time you want to be putting your seatbelt on. You always want to have it in there just in case.
Hell yeah, brother.
Just before. All right, everybody got seatbelts on?
Let's rock and roll.
Don't you bang me in the head with that thing. How you guys doing?
Pretty good.
Not too shabby. How are you?
Not bad, not bad. All right. You got the Kia Telluride, the 2020, and not even out yet. It's like day 2. You guys are like some of the first ones to ride in it.
I'm digging the articulation.
How much you guys weigh? I mean, you're starting out with 250 pounds in the front seat, I know.
Got a bit. All right, where are we going? All right, got some jumps coming up.
No, watch out. Jumps on the other side. You're
Oh,
right
darn.
now.
Wait, oh, shit. Got some wooden blocks there.
There we go. Take it to the beach.
Oh, no. Okay,
Take it to the mountain.
send it.
Wave to all your friends. All right, you guys ready to hold on to those things?
Oh, got some articulation. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Nice landing. So you guys gonna have to replace the dampers on this thing?
Yeah, we beefed them up a bit.
Might have to beef it up again.
We usually do it at night. Along
But
about
it
this
handles
time
it
of
pretty
the
well.
day.
I start wearing out.
does it really well too.
Not bad.
All right.
I mean, it's a Kia. Of course it handles it well. Have you guys done the drift?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Oh, you should jump on that next.
All right, drifting's
Kia's
coming
really
up.
stepping it up.
What's up, Matt?
You have the best job in the world, don't you?
Exactly. How can I complain? Exactly.
All right, so we're in the Kia Stinger. I've actually driven a Kia Stinger,
You have?
all-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive.
Oh, okay.
There you go, boss.
I've launched a Kia Stinger.
The all-wheel drive one?
Yes.
Launched it
I've
pretty
kicked a Kia Stinger sideways.
Oh, not the all-wheel drive one. Rear-wheel drive.
Rear-wheel drive, yes.
Yeah.
Well, the all-wheel drive you can kick too if you really
You really gotta
try.
hustle.
You know, you gotta little Scandi flick, turn off
Yeah,
traction control
exactly.
first. You know. But I see you've got a. Let me see if I can get the camera on that. Hydraulic handbrake.
Here.
Can I get that installed at the dealership?
Not at the dealership, sadly, but you can probably do it yourself.
We'll figure something out. All right, we're out. Holy shit.
All right, you guys ready for takeoff?
We're ready for takeoff. Yeah.
All
Send
right.
it, baby.
Let's do it.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh yeah, baby.
Holy shit.
Yeah, man. Go, baby. That knows how to do it.
Yeah, buddy.
Way to go, Matt,
Damn, this guy can drive.
Oh man. Hey, is that stock exhaust? Is that what's going to come from the factory, or is that?
No, this
brother,
car
thank you.
only has an exhaust. Sorry, man. Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Boom.
The car only has an exhaust and a handbrake. Other than that, it's stock.
Oh shoot, man! I didn't hit record. Can we do that again?
Hey, I don't mind.
Full send, let's go.
I don't mind.
Damn, so you've got oil temperature gauge, boost gauge. You got oil pressure too?
Hey, really
Oil
appreciate
tap,
the ride.
oil
That was
tap.
awesome.
All right.
How was that, brother? You all right there?
Fucking awesome. There you go. Hit fist bump. Oh, okay.
My bad. Fist bump. I
Fist bump. There you go. Bam.
Come on, man. Maybe just drop off your helmet at the desk for me, okay?
All right, sounds good. Oh, that was a lot of fun.
Yeah,
you.
first?
Oh, it was great.
Good.
Oh, man. All right, get back on. All right, that was awesome.
Bye.
See you later.